that computer is a smart electronic machine. What all work does this computer do? Turtle is going to tell you. Okay, Turtle says the computer is accurate. That means it never makes mistakes. Computer works very fast. Much faster than we can ever imagine. Am I right? Computer never gets tired or bored. Yes, it keeps on working for so many hours all together. So, it never makes mistakes and we can trust on computer very well. Then another important feature of computer is it cannot work for its own. So every time you, me or this Turtle has to give some instructions to the computer to get our work done. Understood? And it can store lot of data for you. You know, any type of data which you require for the future use can be stored inside the computer. And whenever you need it, you can just collect it back, use it and get your work done. And very important feature of the computer is you can get the desired result in any way you like. So, now we are proceeding further with our learnings. Here we go. We are going to see that what all work can we do on this computer. So, we have been talking about so many things. We can do this work, that work on the computer. Let's see what precise work can this lovely computer do for this Turtle and for you. So, very important thing, we love to play games. Do you love to play games? Yes. And then we have computer with us who is going to help you every time and enjoy playing on it. Another thing is which we all love. Correct. That is drawing and coloring. You know children, you can do drawing and coloring on the computer and it is real fun, believe me. There are so many more things which we can do on computer. We can use computer to type any document and even read the document. So whenever next time you have to write something, just turn on your computer and the work is done. And you will love reading on the computer as well. Another important thing is taking the printouts. Children, whenever you have any interesting thing, any important document inside the computer and you want to store it as a hard copy, as your record, you can every time use computer to take printout. And we have always printers with us which are attached to the computer to get the printouts. Seems interesting, isn't it? See, Turtle is also happy to hear all this. Now, these things he will be doing with the computer. Moving ahead now, we have so many other things which you can do on computer, like doing calculations. That seems quite difficult work for us when we have such big calculations to do and our mind gets jumbled up. Don't worry, just turn on the computer next time, your work will become easy. And this is the machine on which you can trust every time. It's very fast, very accurate, don't forget this. And sending emails, that's important feature which we people use nowadays as a means of communication. And it has made the world so compact and it has just affected the life of every person around the globe. So just typing a letter, not posting it in the post office and just clicking a button send, and it reaches the person to whom you want to send. That's called email. So you can send the message through emails to any part of the world with the help of computer. Very interesting feature which computer has. Here we go further. So listening to the music, watching to the cartoons and movies is the best favorite time pass for us. For you, for me, and for this turtle as well. What do you say? I could see the smiles on your face. Yes, so we can every time use computer to listen to the music, watching to the cartoons and any of your favorite movies just on a click of a button. More important is storing our work for the future. This work could be in the forms of documents, this work could be in the form of movies, songs, anything. So next time when you feel that you require this data for the future, you can store it in the computer and make your life so easy and comfortable. That's really amazing. We move ahead now and see. Now let's have a quick check what you have learned so far. So can you tell me what among these actions shown here in the picture can you do using the computer? Let's begin from the first picture. Oh, what are the children doing here? They are playing in the park. Can this be done sitting just on the computer? No, not at all. Here we require physical exercise. So this work we cannot do on the computer. And drawing lovely work, trying on the computer is every time a favorite time pass for children. Correct? So this is the work you can do on computer. Keeping yourself healthy by eating apples. Can this be done by computer? What do you say, Turtle? No. Okay. Yes, we should have a healthy habit of eating fruits, but it cannot be done on computer. Rightly said. Show me your thumbs up once again. Great going. And studying of the documents, preparing for your exams. Yes, this is one of the very important feature we do on the computer. Correctly said. Oh, the child is watching some movie. Could this be done on computer? Good. I could see your head nodding. Yes. So we can always sit on the computer and see the movies. And what is the next one? Getting love from your loved ones. Can computer have the emotions? No. So we cannot do it with the computer. So this work could not be done with the help of computer. Only we have learned in the previous session only, we learned that computer does not have feeling. So that's very true. Computer cannot show the emotions. Correct. Move further now. And let's see. Let's visit some places around us where we could see the computer. So very important thing is we could see the computers initially at our home and in our school, right? What all do you do in the school with the computer? We are going to discuss this thing in the upcoming sessions, but that's sure we use computer at home as well as in the school for doing all tidbits. Got it? And then at airports, railway stations, bus stop and metro stations. So whenever you go on these stations, you need to buy tickets, you need to get the reservation, and all these activities are done with the help of computer, and it has made life so easy and comfortable. Do you know, children, we always get our ticket book at home also now with the help of computer. Okay, another important feature is using the computers at malls, shops, restaurants and hotels. So, anywhere you visit, the first thing you see, your smart computer is sitting there like your little turtle and ready to give a smile and help for you. So, we see that we find the computers all around us in our day-to-day activities. Here are some more for you. At banks and ATMs. You know, visiting bank was a tedious job 10 years back. But now the life has become so comfortable by the use of ATMs and by use of computers in the banks. So, we get our work done so promptly, that's beyond imaginations. And at office, your parents are going to office and they are always busy working with the computers because they cannot survive without computers these days. Each and every work is done with the help of computer and we feel so relaxed. Also, when you visit to the hospital, you know, each and every test, every diagnosis, preparation of bills, getting the reservations of the bookings with the doctors, everything is done with just standing on the window and getting the work done with the help of computer. And that makes your life at ease. We move ahead now. Let's see what all we have with us. So, we are going to just check what we have learned so far. We will fill in the blanks with the help of the hint box we have here on the right side. So, let's take them one after another. Dash are used almost everywhere. So, what are we talking about that's used everywhere? I didn't hear it. Oh, you said computers. Lovely. So, I am going to write whatever you say. Right. So, computers are used almost everywhere. You are absolutely correct. Let's look at the second sentence. We can dash movies on computer. So, what word do we pick from here? 30 says watch. Is he correct? Oh, lovely. Good work done, 30. So, we can watch movies on computer. And that means 30 is also listening everything very carefully. He is also learning as you are learning, children. Yes. And we come to the third sentence. The third sentence says, we can dash games on computer. So, which word are you going to pick from here? Play? Oh, nice. We can play games. That makes sense. Computers are used at, see the word that is left. Computers are used at many places. I agree. What word from here are you going to pick? Just check out. Home. That's great. I am very sure that you are learning and watching the video very carefully. That's the reason you have answered these questions so well. So, let's move further now. And we have a matching. Children, on the right you could see some images are there. So, we are going to put the right match with these sentences. Let's read the sentence first. We use computers here for storing information of goods. So, let's see where do we use computer to store information about goods. That seems a departmental store. Yes. So, where is the image of departmental store? The second one. Okay. Let's match it. Now we are going to read the next sentence. We use computers here to keep information of students. Students' information, somehow it's stored in school. Am I right? So we have to find the picture of school. Where is it? D part. Lovely. So we match it like this. And let's read the next sentence now. Computers are used here for keeping the record of books. Where do we keep the books? 30 says bag. No, 30. We are talking about a huge data, lot of books. What do you say now? Oh, he says library. That's good. That means you have understood it. So we are going to see where is the library, children? A. Great. And computers are used here for treating the patient. So where do you find patients, children? Hospital. So come on, quickly just check out where is the image of hospital. Oh yes, see. Wonderful. Tap your back. Good job done. And we move ahead now. So another maze for you. We have a crossword puzzle and we'll be finding the words which are written here on the left side in the given grid. So come on, quickly. One word is already done here. That's airport. You have to find the words. I think at the top we could see computer. Oh, I could see it. Any other word which you could see? Third row. Oh, third row school. I didn't find. Oh, yes, it's there. Good going. Lovely. And who said last second row? What is there in last second row? Oh, games. Nice. Very good. Oh, you people are observing it very fast. Okay. Any other word which you could see? Let's look in the vertical columns. Vertical column, we are going to take another color, right? So, vertical column, what do you see? Music. Yay! That's great. Music comes here. And what else in the vertical column? Someone said movie. Where is movie? Oh, yeah, I got it. This is movie. So, I could see you have found wonderful words here. And now we move further. Here we go. So, now is the time to say goodbye for today's session. And before that, let's quickly recall what we have learned so far. So, we have learned different uses of computer. Come on, we count and check what all uses are there. To listen music, that's nice. Second one, oh, for drawing and painting. Great job. What else? Yes, you are going right. To type the document. Lovely. That shows you have really learned in the class. And now we come at different places where you use computers. So, we have just learned so many places. Come on, let's count them. Number 1, at schools. Good. Number 2, oh yes, in office. At home also. Great going. In hospitals. Wow, you have learned a lot. That's a wonderful way of learning. So, that's all for today's session. Goodbye. We'll meet soon with the next chapter and say bye to 30 as well. Bye-bye.